a large IT company is using M-Files HR solution. Each time a new employee is hired, the HR department has to create NDA statements manually. However, with Extension Kit you can automatically create documents when that defined trigger happens, for example when object enters or leaves state. So, anytime a candidate is hired and enters the state active, M-Files automatically creates an NDA statement. This use case is configured with Extension Kit Object Creation module. With object creation you can automatically create new objects, set property values and define conditions under which the object is created. Improve the quality of M-Files implementations without coding. Go to the link in the description and start your free trial.